he cut. Oh, he cut. Where's the poop?
Good throwing. Now it's Caleb's turn. Good job. Good throwing, boys. Okay, let's go back up. Now we're spitting.
I spit. Go back. Yes, go back because. Oh, my knee.
Careful. It's so pokey.
You should go and poke me.
Be careful.
I put stick.
Okay, let's go up. Let's go back up.
And stick. Throw.
Good throwing.
And more sticks.
What shapes did it make in the water?
It makes a circle shape.
Yeah, it does, huh? Circle gets bigger and bigger. Okay, let's go up. Let's go up.
Some more rocks.
We'll throw it later. We're going to go back up and have
this
snacks.
Stick. Let's throw rocks.
Okay, let's go up. Up, up, up. Come on. Come on, Caleb. Come with Daddy.